I always thought I would find myself in the technology field, never even thought about healthcare. I love the fact that I'm able to help other people. 3 years ago, I lost my vision due to an infection in my eyes. Well, I made a decision very early on I wasn't gonna let it stop me from doing anything. But then reality set in and I needed to find something that could work with my new normal. I didn't want to have to struggle, and I knew a hands-on career was going to be the right fit for me. With my vision impairment, I knew I was going to need some extra supports. I had done my research on schools, and Georgian came up at the top of the list. I hope that through my story, I can inspire others that may be in a similar situation. A number of people helped me, and it made a tremendous difference in my life. I know when I'm finished here, I will be employable, and I'll have a bright future ahead of me.